Welcome to TechWorth, where high-fidelity sound meets cutting-edge tech. In this video, we're exploring the top 3 AVRs for audiophiles in 2025, designed to deliver pure, detailed, and dynamic sound with premium DACs, ultra-low distortion, and high-resolution support. If you're looking to elevate your listening experience, check the links in the description, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert AV gear reviews. Number 3. Marantz Cinema 50. The Marantz Cinema 50 is a premium 9.4-channel AV receiver designed for home theater enthusiasts seeking powerful, immersive sound and advanced video capabilities. Delivering 110 watts per channel, it supports Dolby Atmos, DTS, X, Auro, 3D, and IMAX Enhanced, creating a cinematic surround sound experience with exceptional clarity and depth. Equipped with HDMI 2.1, it offers 8K per 60 Hz and 4K per 120 Hz pass-through on all inputs, along with HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and advanced gaming features like VRR and ALLM. Built-in HUS technology allows for wireless multi-room streaming from services like Spotify, Tidal, and Apple Music, while AirPlay 2 and Bluetooth provide additional connectivity options. The Cinema 50 also features Audyssey Multiple EQ XT32 room calibration for independent subwoofer outputs for deep bass, and a sleek, minimalist design with Marantz's signature porthole display. Ideal for both movies and music, it blends elegance, power, and versatility for premium home entertainment setups. Number 2. Denon AVR X6800H. The Denon AVR X6800H is a flagship 11.4-channel AV receiver delivering 140 watts per channel for a powerful and immersive home theater experience. It supports Dolby Atmos, DTS, X Pro, IMAX Enhanced, and Auro, 3D for unparalleled 3D surround sound, along with HDMI 2.1 for 8K per 60 Hz and 4K per 120 Hz pass-through. With advanced HDR compatibility, including Dolby Vision and HDR10+, it ensures stunning video quality. Featuring HUS multi-room streaming, AirPlay 2, Bluetooth, and voice control support, it offers versatile connectivity and smart home integration. Audyssey Multiple EQ XT32 room calibration optimizes sound performance, while 4 independent subwoofer outputs provide precise, room-filling bass. The AVR X6800H combines cutting-edge features and premium sound, making it perfect for high-performance home entertainment systems. Number 1. Yamaha RX A6AA Vintage. The Yamaha RX A6AA Vintage is a 9.2-channel AV receiver delivering 150 watts per channel, designed for high-end home theaters. It supports Dolby Atmos, DTS, X, and Auro, 3D, providing immersive 3D surround sound. With HDMI 2.1, it offers 8K per 60 Hz and 4K per 120 Hz pass-through, along with HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and VRR, making it ideal for movies and gaming. YPRSC multi-point calibration ensures optimized sound, while MusicCast, AirPlay 2, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi allow seamless streaming. Built with Yamaha's A-Vintage design for superior audio performance, the RX A6A is perfect for audiophiles and home theater enthusiasts. That wraps up our top picks for serious audiophiles this year. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video from TechWorth. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.